प्रमोद बाब येचोय ह्या आमगेल्या मरे बेतूल कुडबण सच अ ब्युटिफुल आमगेल्या माणकुल्यां गोंय प्रमोद बाब so neat and clean. Can we keep this Goa of us neat and clean with respect to rapes and murders also? It doesn't look like, because tu pad mutas, tu statistics yeta ni you're playing with numbers. Tu sango sojita kal म्हणजे आमगेली क्राइम रेट हुई डाउन हा कंपॅरेटिव्हली टू प्रिव्हियस इयर्स 2-3 वर्सां एकठांय गेलती लास्ट इयराची कित्याक करू ना ते कंपॅरिजन एज पर द records, तुगे record हुईते हांव नको. As per the record which I have, it shows 65 rapes average per year in Goa. And last year we had around 71 rapes recorded in Goa. And this year, July just hude, we already have 42 at hand here. So 42 and 71 compare kota kitre tu. That 71 is for the full year and this 42 is till July. So if I imagine for another half year, will it go above 80? And then how do you say the crime rate is coming down? These rapes this is the scenario today. I don't understand what record you are trying to play with. Unless you know that you have a problem, how will you try to get it sorted out and medical attention, man? Secondly, you are talking about murders. Murders, we have already got the records. In 2021, the murders were around 26 average. Last year's 26. This year, we are already on 24 before August. So how is the murders also coming down? From which point of angle you are looking at? Magi muttu percentage wise. What is percentage wise here? The national average for these crimes is 4.3%. Whereas we have an average of nothing less than 7.8% in Goa. That is the national average of rapes. And you are seeing the crime rates are coming down, Pramod Bab. How? Flash trade last year was 15. This year, before July, it is already 7. Kidnapping last year was 35. This year, we are already on 25 before August. So, kitkon then down mutte tu numbers hoita kitre. Until August, come on, you are comparing to that the full year's average. How? 2071, we had murders around 31. 2017. 2018, we had 29. 2019, we had 33. 2020, we had 34. And 2021, we had 26. So if you compare last year's average, the number of murders was only 26. That is in 2021. 2022, till date, we are already having 21 murders. Already 21, I am right. What a salyana. So by trying to hide certain figures or you are doing jugglery with the statistics, I don't know. So if you do the juggleries, the police officials also will get more emboldened not to do much about it. Because you are the head of the state, man. I don't understand, Pramod Bab, why this jugglery of number game here. Straight come, no black and white. Except there is something going wrong. And let us work to stop it. Then you are talking about detection case. Detection ratio, detection rate. What is detection? That means we are accepting the crimes that will go on happening and will detect. It is of no sense for the people who suffer, even if your detection is 100%. Because your conviction is not definitely going to be 100% then. Because of certain technicalities. So forget about detection. There should be a system in place by which the people should get that fear not to do such things in Goa. At the police station here, people are not even obeying the orders from the DYSPs. I have a authenticated, documented evidence on this, where a DYSP is calling in for some people for samadhan. Samadhan karo apaila buri ye nahi, munis ye nahi, and that DYSP just walks off back again home without the people coming, and the police are doing nothing about it. So this type of small-time criminals, they get more strength, more energy to do crimes. My parents used to tell me, the day any child brings a rubber from the class or a pencil from the class, put that child in place in that same time. Otherwise, today is the pencil, tomorrow that same child carries a knife. You bring a rubber from the school, robbed rubber, make the child accountable. Otherwise, the child will start bringing and smuggling drugs. When the child starts misbehaving with a girl child, correct the child then and there. Otherwise, that child will start going into this type of rapes and molestation to the girls. So try to understand this thing, and please, Pramod Bab, put these things in place at the police station. Small crimes, put them in right perspective. There has to be some, forget about being the police being loved by people or not, but at least there's some fear must be there. Bapa, a crime question hule te tokle bhiye upade. Huya are Biranti, tu muda crime korit rahle and detection ko to tu. What detection? Does detection only help the people who have been suffering? So please, Pramod Bab, ek hath jodun magta ki jugglery tuge band kar. You are a good magician. Accept it. Agreed. But please, do some magic for Goa. That this Goa remains my Mankulian Goa like this. This is the beautiful Goa that we got it here from the Lord. From our gods, don't dirty it. Devbara Guru, thank you very much. काबार कोचे पहिले सांगूंक सोदता जायत्या जाणांनी म्हजे कडेन येवन रिक्वेस्ट केला, सर तुजे आमकां व्हिडिओ बरे लायक जातात पूण आमकां डायरेक्ट मेळनात, आमकां आनी कोणा कडच्यान मेळतात आनी केन्ना केन्ना तुजे व्हिडिओ मेळनात म्हणटात ते. तो देखून जायत्या जाणां म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केले, सर तूं एक युट्यूब चॅनल ओपन कर म्हणून. सो हांवें एक युट्यूब चॅनल ओपन केलेलें आसा, एंटनी डिसिल्वा म्हणून. सो जाता तितल्यांनी म्हाजो मातशे उपकार मागतलो आसलो, ते म्हाजें युट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्रायब करात. आनी हें युट्यूब चॅनल हांव पयशांक लागून करिना, पूण जाता जाल्यार तुमच्या घरांनी म्हाजे व्हिडिओज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू जावं सोशल इश्यूज जावं पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज जावं एनालिसिस ऑफ डे टू डे ऑर करंट अफेअर्स तुमच्या घरघरांनी पावपाक हांव प्रयत्न करतलो. देखून तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी म्हाजे युट्यूब चॅनल प्लीज सबस्क्रायब करात आनी तशेंच दुसऱ्यांकूय शेअर करात आनी रिक्वेस्ट करात कोणा कोणाक जाय तेमी म्हाजो युट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्रायब करचो म्हणून. सो देव बरें करूं. आनीक एक फावटी थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.